Hi.
United 846 a Houston. Invitamos a nuestros últimos pasajeros a embarcar en puerta E6, E8. Gracias por elegir a United esta noche.
Su equipaje de mano y abrochen los cinturones de seguridad. En este momento todos los equipos electrónicos tienen que estar en modo de avión, sin embargo los dispositivos como computadoras tienen que estar apagados.
Tú ahí perfecta y...
¿Dónde?
Ahí, ¿para qué te querías tirar para acá?
Porque soy envidioso.
¿Vais bien?
Está perfecto.
Sky Team Flight 146 with service to the Atlanta Hartsfield Jackson International Airport serving the city of Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Christian, your purser this evening. Assisting me in the main cabin is Trisha, and along with a staff of 9 other Atlanta-based flight attendants, we will do everything possible to make your flight a safe and enjoyable one. At this time, we kindly ask that you direct your attention to the video monitors as we identify the safety features of your Airbus 350. Once the safety demonstration has concluded, we will be in the aisles should you have any questions. We have flight attendants that can assist you in English, Spanish, Italian, and as well as Portuguese and French. Captain has informed us the flight time this evening will be 9 hours. There is a 1-hour time change between Atlanta and Santiago, current local time.
1 in 8 women would be one of me. I thought, what is this going to mean for my future? Am I going to be here to see my daughter grow up? I wanted Kristen to know she was not fighting this battle alone. Right away started making...
Adjusting the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle. If your seat has a shoulder harness, attach the metal tip to the fitting on the belt. To release, push the metal tip down.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on.
Clicking on the tab and then opening the pouch. Flip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the pocket. While we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, thank you for flying with Delta.
Atlanta Hartsfield Jackson International Airport, serving the city of Atlanta, Georgia, where the approximate local time is 6:38 in the morning. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry-on items stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight, and please
Vía correo electrónico. De parte de esta tripulación con base en Atlanta, gracias por volar con Delta. Esperamos verlos nuevamente en uno de nuestros vuelos globales. Gracias y buen día.
Ryan Litty.